Good day, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Today, on another addition to our popular series, the GroundBreakers, we're digging in to a brand new IPO in the exciting gold exploration sector that's next door to four of the most biggest mines in Nevada. This project is on trend with Barrick's most recent mine to come online just only 4 kilometers north. This trend is the future of Barrick Gold, the second largest gold mining company. American Eagle Gold wants to be the company that discovers the next gold ore body in Nevada. American Eagle Gold on the TSX Venture under symbol AE. So today we will do our best to create a brief overview of key points for our investment community and trading club members as we continually encourage our audience to do your own research before making investment decisions, as the information we are sharing here is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. Without further ado, let's dive on in. Nice website, clearly defining all of the information to review. Overview. American Eagle Gold is focused on exploring for a world-class gold deposit on its flagship property, Golden Gate. The property is located on the Cortez Trend, next door to Barrick Gold and Newmont Mining's Gold Rush and Cortez Mine, which host over 27 million ounces of gold. The company plans to drill and advance its relatively unexplored property and continue to focus on acquiring and advancing gold projects in the area. So at the BFN, we are big advocates of not only exciting asset classes and unreal roadmaps, more importantly, the people behind the project. Management. Anthony Moreau, CEO and Director. Anthony Moreau is the CEO and Director of American Eagle Gold. He is also a Director of QC Copper and Gold and Orefinders Resources, both TSX Venture listed companies. He's previously worked with IAMGold, comprising different roles within the organization, most recently business development and innovation. He gained valuable experience working in a continuous improvement function at the Rose Bowl gold mine in Suriname. Wow, that's close to my mom's home country of Guyana. Tony has spearheaded many industry initiatives, one of them being an international co-op peer benchmarking program owned and run by the participating mining companies. He leads the Young Mining Professionals Toronto chapter and is the co-chair of the YMP Scholarship Fund. A graduate of the Queen's School of Business, Anthony is a chartered financial analyst. Wow. Stephen Stewart, Chairman. Stephen is the CEO and Director of Orefinders Resources, Inc. and QC Copper and Gold, both TSX Venture listed companies, while also being a chair of Mistango River Resources and Baseload Energy Corp. He is also the founder of the Ore Group, an organization focused on natural resource discovery and development. Stephen is the founder and chairman of the Young Mining Professionals Scholarship Fund, the largest mining-focused charitable organization and fund which supports mining, engineering, and geology education in Canada. Stephen holds a Bachelor of Arts from the University of Western Ontario, a Master of Business Administration from University of Toronto's Rotman School of Management, and a Master of Science from the University of Florida. Wow, impressive. Mark Bradley. VP of Exploration. Mark Bradley, geologist, holds a Bachelor of Science in Geology, a Master in Science in Economic Geology, and has over 35 years of experience in the mining and exploration and development business. Mark was Barrick Gold's Cortez project team leader during the discovery and definition of Barrick Gold's multi-million ounce Gold Rush deposit. Holy. Cortez and Gold Rush are located some 5 kilometers to the northwest and north, respectively, of American Eagle Gold's Golden Trend project. For this discovery, he was a co-recipient of the prestigious Thayer Lindsley Award for International Mineral Discovery from the Prospectors and Developers Association of Canada. During the Gold Rush Discovery Program, he guided and managed the Cortez exploration team of 20 plus geologists and over 200 contracting personnel. Wow. And a little footnote, Mark Bradley has joined this company because he thinks that the next great deposit on this Cortez Trend is on American Eagle Gold's property. Wow. Pretty exciting. Now, so they have the projects. You guys can check that out yourself. And again, I encourage you all to check out AmericanEagleGold.ca as they have a really well laid out website. And let's get into the investor's deck. Advanced Gold Exploration in Cortez, Nevada. American Eagle Gold. American Eagle Gold, part of the OR Group. OR Group consists of in-house technical and financial expertise and is focused on premier jurisdictions on metals with strong long-term fundamentals. Metal energy, baseload energy, Mistango River, American Eagle Gold, QC Copper and Gold, Ore Finders. All of these look like TSX Venture companies, one CSC company, and it looks like the OR Group overall on all 6 of these pubcos have been able to give a return of 7.5 times in 2020. Wow, impressive. American Eagle Gold corporate overview. Key metrics, TSX Venture Exchange. Shares outstanding, 56.76 million. Warrants and options, 14.9 million. Share price, 12.5 cents. That's as of September 11th this year. Basic market capitalization, 7.1 million. Cash and marketable securities, 2.7 million. Management and insider and institutional ownership, 43%. And they break down the management and the board. Also, they outline the share price since the IPO has launched this year. About American Eagle Gold. Flagship asset is Golden Gate, adjacent to Barrick's 15 million ounce Gold Rush deposit. Targeting a high-grade Tier 1 deposit on the Cortez Trend, Golden Gate is amongst the last underexplored property in the Cortez Trend. Exploration team has a track record of discoveries in the region, fully funded for 2021 drill campaign, drilling scheduled for November. Nevada, world-class mining jurisdiction. Fraser Institute, #1 mining jurisdiction. Home to Barrick and Newmont. Nevada annual gold production, 7.1 million ounces over the last 25 years. Ultra high-grade underground mines. Large open pit Carlin-type deposits. Quick permitting processes. Excellent access to mining infrastructure. Strong mining workforce in this region. And they give you a bit of a breakdown of where their property is on this trend and all the other mines in this region of Nevada. Wow. And the CEO said, good luck on getting a better piece of real estate to drill on. We will be the first ones to drill deep in search of the next underground, large open pit, Carlin type gold ore deposit. About Golden Gate Project. Carlin style gold prospect, large underground gold system hosted in lower plate rocks. On trend with Barrick's Gold Rush and Cortez Hills deposits, adjacent to Barrick Gold's Cortez Complex. Cortez Complex's three major deposits with 10 million ounces. Pipeline 1991, Cortez Hills 2002, Gold Rush 2011. Golden Gate is 7,574 acres comprised of 111 claims with road access. And here again is a breakdown of the actual region and the trend. Differentiating factor number 1, a long trend of 4 Tier 1 deposits next door. Cortez Hills, Tier 1 asset, discovered in 2002, 15 million ounces at 4.1 grams per ton of gold. 799,000 ounces of gold produced in 2020, 10 kilometers north of Golden Gate. Gold Rush, Tier 1 asset, discovered in 2011, 2021 commencing commercial production, 4.9 million ounces of gold at 9.4 grams per ton. November 6th, 2020, a drill hole yielded 9.6 meters at 80.1 grams per ton, 5 kilometers north of Golden Gate. As you can see here, this project is in close proximity to tremendous finds from the largest producer of gold and the second largest producer of gold on Earth in this specific region. Golden Gate, the next great Cortez discovery. Barrick Pipeline, 1991. Barrick Cortez Hills, 2002. Horse Canyon. Barrick 4 Mile, 2015. Barrick Gold Rush, 2011. Golden Gate. And they're showing you the 5 kilometer distance and the 10 kilometer distance between the other finds. Project history, enormous exploration potential at depth. Property has not been properly explored since discovery of Gold Rush. Gold Rush discovery in 2011 has increased the understanding of underground geology in the area. Previous owners lacked the budget and the expertise. Few historical drill holes into lower plate. Majority of the exploration was in search of the near surface deposit using surveys, trenching, and shallow holes. Large underground deposit is believed to be underground in the lower plate rocks. And as you can see here, they go through more information here. Geophysics, how deep they're going to be digging, fault lines. And you can check out all this information yourself on AmericanEagleGold.ca, as they have their investors deck right there. Do your own research. April, August, field exploration work. So again, as you can see here, they're outlining all the seismic studies and all the money that they've spent in terms of surveying and analyzing the potential of this property and the find. 2021 Golden Gate exploration plan, drilling in November. So as you can see here, this team is extremely experienced, and they have their permitting, their seismic survey, everything is lined up. And as I said before, you can have the greatest asset class, but if you don't have the team with the right expertise to get it to the finish line and execute, what's the use? Differentiating factor number 2, the exploration geologists. And this is what I was talking to you guys about before. Mark Bradley, 35 years of experience in the mining sector, the Cortez project team leader during Barrick's discovery of Gold Rush, then chief exploration geologist at Cortez, world expert in Carlin type deposits. And this is key because this gentleman here has come on board onto this company in the belief, based on his expertise, that this property has that next find. Very exciting. Golden Gate target drill zones. Again, all this information is on their website for our investment community to review and go over for themselves. Why invest in American Gold? Location, people, drilling. World-class property located, attached, and on trend to Barrick's future Nevada growth pipeline. American Eagle Gold has the knowledge base and the experience to find the next gold rush deposit. Employ world and world-renowned expert in underground Carlin-type deposits, Mark Bradley. Upcoming catalysts, drilling in November, commencing robust marketing campaign. American Eagle Gold will not be the best kept secret in Nevada for long. We agree with that. And here at the BFN, as we always do, let's get into the chart analysis. As you can see, this company has only been around for a very short period of time. It went IPO here in, it looks like May of 2021. Right off the bat, came out of the gate running. And throughout the last few months, it's been experiencing a downtrend. And regardless of this downtrend, we here at the BFN are quite bullish on what we're seeing and the people behind this project and the property in question. We are looking for American Eagle to break out of this downtrend and retest the 16.5 cent, 21.5 cent, and 25 cent levels. Another note to add, until 10 years ago, nobody bothered to look for underground Carlin type deposits. This all changed with the Gold Rush find. And the guy that is the world expert that has written all the papers about them and led the team to find Gold Rush works for American Eagle Gold and is in charge of their program. So their plan is not to build a mine, but to rather discover the ore body and set up the project for a possible sale down the line. And at a $10 million market cap, we here at the BFN believe that American Eagle Gold has a tremendous amount of upside potential and torque compared to many of its peers in the junior mining gold exploration sector. Please note, all the information being shared here is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep on winning though, you got to keep on watching. We appreciate your time here at the BFN, and we encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your alerts, as this is Roger Chowdhury, 10-4, signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Stay blessed.